Hello everybody, I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today we're going to talk about authorized users trade lines. That's right, boost your credit score fast. But keep in mind, it's only good for 60 to 90 days normally. So we're going to scroll some of that authorized trade line cost and the amount of the credit limit. But look here, after you get those trade lines and get your credit all good, you ain't supposed to be messing around with none of this. You don't go buy toys, all right? No toys. You're supposed to invest in your own businesses to increase your income. So anyhow, please like, subscribe, and click the bell so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back. Authorized users trade lines is what we're talking about, not primary. This is authorized users. Keep in mind, they only last 2 to 3 months on your credit file. Then they drop off. They can only boost your score fast, temporarily, to 2 to 3 months. Helps improve your debt utilization. Log into Credit Karma, check out your debt utilization. All right? So, with that in mind, here's the first authorized user trade lines. You can always email me at eric@stopstrugglingnow.com. And you can see it's $25,800, and that was on the Barclays. And next up, $16,000 Bank of America authorized user trade line. The report date's on the 15th through the 20th. As you can see, it's $1,000.99. Next up is going to be $12,000 authorized user trade line. It's with Barclays. Report date, it's either going to be somewhere between the 17th and the 27th, and it's $599. Next up, Capital One. Report date, the 27th through the following month on the 7th, and as you can see, it's $899. You can hit me up, email me, let me know if you're interested in any of these. And there's going to be more, so look at the links below. As you can see, the next up is $4,000 at Citibank. Again, report date the 24th through the 4th of the month, and it's $499. Below, I'll have the 2 years. Like you can see, it's 2 years, 7 months in age. I'll have it all below in the description so you can read, and I'll even add a few more for you so you can read those and check out other authorized user trade lines, and hopefully this can help a few of you boost your credit score in time to, for a new loan on a home, a new car loan, just a regular old loan for anything else for that matter. Maybe even get business funding using a personal guarantee, your own personal credit score. Because right now, if you have a 700 credit score or higher, you can get business funding. Now, don't get crazy. You have to already have some sort of business established. So don't think you can just open an LLC, an S Corp, or a corporation and then 2 months later get funding. It doesn't work that way. You got to have something seasoned. But anyhow, that's it for now. This is short and sweet video because I wanted to talk about the authorized users, and that way a lot of people ask me about it all the time. And keep in mind what I mentioned at the intro of this video. If you're gonna get funding, you're gonna have to pay it back. So the best policy is think of using the money to create more money. So in other words, the business that you're gonna invest in, hopefully it generates revenue already, so that way you can pay back the loan plus keep some profit. So that's what you want to do. You don't want to use the loan to go buy a car, for instance, or just use it for personal business or personal. So that's all I have to say, short and sweet. And thank you everybody for watching. Thank you for your support once again. And as always, please click the like button, share the videos, and click the bell so you get the latest updates. And keep your head up. Keep moving. And I'm out.